Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 7 best AI business ideas that you can start in 2026. Even if you're a complete beginner, these ideas can realistically help you make anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 per month, just like thousands of people are already doing. We're in the middle of an AI gold rush. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and hundreds of new automation platforms are exploding in popularity, and the people who take action now are the ones who will dominate these new markets. In this video, you will get an actionable step-by-step ideas, tools that you can copy, business models with real earning potential, and a business idea that almost nobody is talking about. If you're excited to start this AI business journey, make sure to hit like on this video, share it with your friends, comment below, and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss out on any future videos. Let's get started. Hey everyone, so let's begin with the top best AI businesses that you should be doing. Starting off with, we have AI Content Concierge. AI Content Concierge offers AI-powered content creation services for blogs, newsletters, social media, and marketing materials. Businesses are always in need for high-quality content and tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Whitesonic, allowing you to generate drafts quickly. You can refine outputs using Grammarly or Quillbot for grammar and style, then deliver polished content via email, Notion, Google Docs, or a simple website. Monetization can come from per-article fees ranging from $50 to $200 or monthly retainers from $500 to $2,000. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork are already running AI writing agencies that generate $5,000 to $10,000 per month, and companies like Copy.ai have enabled thousands of small agencies and freelancers to thrive. Next, we shall move on to AI Art and Design Studio. The AI Art and Design Studio focuses on creating digital assets such as logos, book covers, social media graphics, and merchandise using AI. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Stable Diffusion make it possible to generate professional quality designs quickly. Outputs can be customized further using Canva or Figma to make them client-ready. These products can be sold on marketplaces like Etsy, Fiverr, or print-on-demand platforms such as Redbubble and Printful. Many artists using Midjourney have sold AI-generated artwork for thousands of dollars, and some Etsy sellers make $2,000 to $5,000 per month, selling AI-generated merchandise designs. We shall now move on to the third one, which is on Prompt Shop. The Prompt Shop involves creating and selling optimized AI prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Claude. To implement this, you research high-demand niches such as marketing, social media posts, or AI art prompts. These prompts can be packaged as a digital download or subscription bundles and sold on PromptBase, Gumroad, or Etsy. A single popular prompt pack can generate anywhere close to $300 to $2,000 per month passively. PromptBase, for example, has thousands of creators earning similar amounts, and some focus exclusively on Midjourney or DALL-E prompts, turning it into a full-time business. Let's move on to the fourth one, which is AI Automation Agency. An AI automation agency helps businesses automate repetitive tasks like emails, customer support, lead follow-up, social media posting, and appointment scheduling. This can be implemented using Zapier, Make.com, or Airtable with AI tools like ChatGPT added to automate content or lead responses. Agencies can charge between $1,000 and $5,000 per client for high-value solutions. On platforms like Upwork, small agencies are already providing AI automation services that save businesses time and effort. Moving on to the fifth one, which is on the Chatbot Concierge service. The Chatbot Concierge service focuses on creating custom AI chatbots for websites that need customer support, lead generation, or appointment scheduling. Tools such as Studio AI, ManyChat, BotPress, and OpenAI GPTs allow you to build these bots without coding experience. Chatbots can be integrated into websites, social media pages, or CRMs, and monetization can come from setup fees plus monthly maintenance subscriptions. Large companies like Sephora and H&M use AI chatbots for customer engagement, and freelance agencies are now offering similar solutions for local businesses, generating recurring revenue. We shall now move on to the sixth one, which is on Notion AI Studio. Notion AI Studio is about developing subscription-based AI-enhanced Notion dashboards for productivity, along with content planning, personal finance, tracking, or business workflows. Templates can be generated with Notion AI, packaged as digital products, and marketed through social media, email lists, or marketplaces like Gumroad and Notion Template Gallery. Subscription models can charge anywhere between $10 to $30 per month or offer lifetime access packages. Many creators on Notion Marketplace earn between $500 to $2,000 per month selling premium AI-powered templates, showing potential of this niche. Moving on to the last business idea, it's AI SaaS Builder. An AI SaaS Builder focuses on creating scalable software as a service products that leverage AI to solve niche problems. Developers can use OpenAI API, LangChain, or Hugging Face models for AI functionality and build applications with no-code or low-code platforms like Bubble.io, Softer, or Replit. Examples include AI writing assistants, lead generation tools, or resume builders. SaaS businesses generate monthly recurring revenue, and even a single tool can earn between $5,000 to $50,000 per month. Successful examples include Copy.ai and Jasper.ai, which started out as a niche AI SaaS tool and now generates millions in annual revenue. Indie developers are also creating niche AI SaaS products that can generate sustainable recurring income. AI is not replacing entrepreneurs, it's supercharging the ones who take action. Every business idea in this video can be started today with little or no experience. As a bonus, you can start an AI newsletter that curates weekly AI tools, case studies and side hustles, prompt libraries and tutorials. Monetize through sponsorships, affiliate links, premium subscriptions, or selling digital products. A well-managed newsletter can generate anywhere between $2,000 to $20,000 per month with consistent growth. Pick one idea from the video and start today. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, comment below to let me know which idea you're pursuing, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on a video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.